Hi folks, Ben here with Pierre Driving School, answering question again. As always, we're answering question early in the morning as we going through, right? So at this traffic light here, we're making a right turn. Traffic is over here on Utica. The question was a student asking, can I drive an automatic with both foot on my road test? Okay. Now I was giving a guy a lesson. He keep driving the automatic with both of his feet, with both feet. You cannot do that. You guys cannot do that. If you're driving the stick, yes, you can drive with both foot, but the automatic at the road test, you cannot do that. The automatic will drive with one foot. The left foot is being rested on the left side of the street. You have to keep your right foot. You have to keep your right foot on the pedal. Anyway, to use, not the left foot, guys. You cannot do that. So I did many videos explaining that. All right, but students are still doing it. They're asking for that too. Can they drive? Is that okay if they drive with 2 foot? An automatic car on their road test? It is not okay, and the examiner is not allowing it. They will not pass you the test. Okay, I've seen students have done it before, and guess what? I've also seen students failed the test before by doing that. All right, folks, it's an automatic. Your left foot being rest, you're driving with your right foot to pivot back and forth on the gas pedal and the brake. You cannot drive an automatic with 2 foot as you do in your road test. The GMV examiner will not have it. They will not let you do that. Okay, so I want to make sure that I bring that to light, because if students are asking for it, it's because they're thinking of doing it. And let me know the state you live in. All right, so if that ain't okay, you can drive an automatic. Now you can go take your road test and it's stick shift, not an issue at all. That can be done. You can take the road test on the stick shift. It's not a problem at all. You have no other choice but to use both of your foot. All right, now in automatic, the layout of it didn't mean for you to be driving it with both foot. After you pass your road test, however, that's your own car. You drive it however you're comfortable, if that makes sense. Guys, I've said this long enough. The road test is set in a way that the DMV examiner wants you to do it. That's how it's gonna stay. It's not what I want. It's not what I say. It's not what you want. It's what they want them to be looking out for. While they're doing while they're conducting the road test. It is what it is, folks. It's not going to change. You know what I'm saying? So these are the things here that you cannot do. All right. So as you're driving here in New York City, especially in the early morning, I've always said that you only have to be on your lookout. You know, it's early morning. People going out party, they junk and all that on the Sunday morning. You always have to pay attention. As you guys can see, I'm driving. My head is all over the place. I'm scanning all over. I have to scan. Yes, you'll be in so much shock. For unexpected thing. You know, people, oh, I didn't see. Okay, got this guy driving here. All right. Let me know if I answered this question right. If you guys have anything contrary to what I said, put in the comment below, as that's where most of our video questions coming from. I'm Ben with Pierre Driving School. So if you're new here, and this channel, we're all about driving. Anything driving you want us to answer, put in the comment below. That's where we get most of our video topic coming from. So if you're new, you may consider to subscribe, so each time that we drop a video, you'll be the first one to be notified. The question of the day was, every morning we answer questions here 7 days a week, and we post it on this channel 3 times a week, every Monday, Wednesdays, and Friday. Every morning we answer the question you guys have, and the comment, and we choose off of those questions to be a video topic. The one for today: can I drive an automatic? Would I fail my test if I drive with both foot and automatic at my road test? Can I drive an automatic with my both foot doing my road test? No, you cannot do that. Okay, it's an automatic transmission. You can drive as you're taking your road test. The examiner wants you to use 1 foot, which is the right one, and left to be rested. However, like I said, when you after passing your license, you're driving by yourself, your car, your time, your transmission, your everything. You do from there whatever you like. You do from there whatever you like. But as you're taking your road test, the DMV examiner, there is a certain way they want you to be. There is a certain way they want you to be driving, and this is how it's going to be. All right. I've shared this on numerous occasions. I've shared this on numerous occasions, and I've been saying it over and over again. And like I said again, it's gonna remain that, because I cannot tell DMV how to set up their road test. Even themselves, they have their own way to set up the road test, and when that's set up, everybody that works underneath them has to follow. With that aside, let's continue with our left and right as we do here in this channel, right? It's early morning today, it's a Sunday, so we're allowed to drive both directions. It's bumpy, guys. You know I'm recording off of my phone. Falling back here until traffic is clear ahead. It is, yes, I have enough room, then I go. See, I was falling back until traffic is clear ahead. If not, you do not want to advance, and if traffic isn't clear, because you're going to get caught up in the traffic that you do not want. Always forward planning all of your move. As I'm driving, I'm already seeing ahead how the lights are moving. Okay, let's go. It's about flying here. Jesus Christ. Always on your lookout, folks. When you stop, you like to see the tire of the car in front of you touching the ground without leaving any room for anybody to fit within that gap. Anything, guys, you guys want me to cover in particular, put it in the comment below, as that's where we have most of our video topic coming from. As I'm driving, if anything that I miss, guys, let me know in the comment below. So next time, I can be on the lookout for it. You guys can get a better view than I can, but collectively we both can come up to a better conclusion. I've always said that. At the light coming up, we're making a left turn. Light is blinking, it ain't no rush, we're not gonna make it. The kid behind me is picking up speed like it's no one's business. See what I'm saying, guys? Why just straight red light? Okay, these are the things that we have to be on the lookout. Cut me to the left, took a red light, and took the turn. Pull to the middle, make sure the traffic is clear. Me all left. Shoulder left and make the turn. There you have it, folks. This has been here with Pierre Driving School. Let me pull over here, mastered it this year. There you have it. This has been here with Pierre Driving School. Until then, keep practicing. Take care now, folks. Bye-bye. Always remember that driving requires some strong responsibility. As much as you can help everyone to get the license in the US, that's the greatest gift you can always give them. Remember, you and I cannot change how people are driving in the street, but we can change the way that we are driving in the street, so either that around us can be feel safe. It is the reason why here at Pierre Driving School, we're giving as much tips that we can as it relates to driving. We're asking your help to help us with the question that you have in the comment below, so we can share more help for everybody that are looking for anything. I cannot know what's going on in your mind, but I can do a video for what's going on in your mind by putting it in the comment below. Until then, folks, keep practicing. This has been you with Pierre Driving School. Take care now. Bye-bye.